we can make ketones endogenously, meaning we can make them in our body, and then we can provide them exogenously, which means we're giving ketones. That's why we say Pruvit gives exogenous ketones. Well, caffeine actually stimulates your body to make endogenous ketones. So when you have them both combined, then basically you're promoting fat burning and production of ketones in your body, and you're giving exogenous ketones. So you're getting kind of a combination of two with the caffeine. So caffeine is what we call a ketogenic type of supplement. It makes your body produce ketones by itself. So, and then of course, Unleash is it's like super fuel. It's more of these ketones and more of a boost in caffeine and these other ketogenic substances. So it's just the ultimate level. If you're not following a ketogenic diet, then caffeine, will it stimulate endogenous ketone production? Yeah, a little bit, but it's going to be very hard to get in ketosis if you're not following a ketogenic diet. So it's, I would say a low carbohydrate diet, yes. But if someone's eating a normal American Western diet, no. So that's one of the things with Pruvit. One of the reasons why we try and promote the lifestyle and the keto reboot system is because we're trying to also promote endogenous production of ketones along with exogenous, or at least put your body in a state where you can kind of produce some ketones too. So if you're on a high carb diet, it's probably not going to. Caffeine by itself.